Need more space for photos, the latest apps, or your new favorite songs? Here's how to check how much storage you have and some tips for freeing up space. Your device comes with a set storage capacity, which is used by your music, apps, messages, photos, and other content. To see how much storage you have, open Settings, tap General, and then tap iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see how your device storage is being used and what's taking up the most space. You might see some recommendations for ways to free up space, like deleting old messages and large attachments, or optimizing your photo storage. To apply these, tap Enable. You can also see how much storage your apps use. For some apps, you can delete content to free up space. For example, tap Messages, and you can delete old conversations, files, GIFs, and more. Photos and videos sent to you through messages take up more space than you might think. Storing messages in iCloud can help, but if you don't want to use this feature, you can clear out your message attachments manually. To take a look, tap Photos. You can delete any photos you don't need to keep, like old vacation photos from friends or blurry food photos. Just tap Edit in the upper right corner, then select some photos, tap the trash icon, and you're done. Now tap the back arrow to go back to the previous screen. Then tap Back to look at other apps. You can also offload an app to free up storage. Just tap any app to view its size and see how much space its documents and data take up on your device. Tap Offload App, and then tap Offload App again to uninstall the app. Offloading an app still keeps its documents and data, just in case you want to reinstall it later. Need to make more room? Try deleting unused apps and removing songs you downloaded to your device from Apple Music. You can also store your photo library in iCloud Photos and use iCloud to store other items too. Keep in mind that you may need to upgrade your iCloud storage plan. Check out the links in the description to learn more. That's a good start. Now you know how to make space if you want to take more photos, try out some new apps, or freshen up your music collection. For more tips on making the most of your iPhone and iPad, subscribe to the Apple Support channel or click another video to keep watching.